I love it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and today we're making cookies again. We are actually making lemon cookies, which I know is hilarious because I have been all about fall flavors recently, but I just love lemon desserts and this is what I've been craving, so this is what we're making. We are making lemon cream cheese cookies, which are going to be nice and chewy, unlike the lemon Greek yogurt cookies that I made recently, which were nice and fluffy. So fluffy, chewy, I don't know which kind of cookie you like, but now we have all of our bases covered. Our ingredients today are 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, again, I'm using monk fruit sweetener, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter softened, 2 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 egg at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, also going to make our cookies nice and chewy, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons or just the zest of 1 lemon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First things first, we're gonna whisk our dry ingredients together. That means our flour, our baking soda, cornstarch, and salt. In a bigger bowl, we are going to mix together our butter and our cream cheese. And then we are going to cream it together with our sugar. Now that that's looking nice and fluffy, let's add in our, oh my gosh. Moving on. Now let's add our vanilla extract. And finally, our lemon zest. Scrape the sides of our bowl, and then add in your dry ingredients. Dough is coming together. Now, I was originally going to make small cookies, but that didn't sound as fun as making big cookies. So we are going to make big cookies using my large 3 tablespoon scoop. I have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a baking mat, and the oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Love a big chewy cookie. Now these are going to bake for about 15 minutes, just until they are slightly puffy and done, and you want to take them out right when they start to turn golden brown. You don't want them to be overdone. These smell so good. Our cookies are hot and fresh from the oven. You do want them to cool completely before you glaze them, but you guys know how impatient I am when it comes to eating desserts. So we are gonna make our glaze right now. The ingredients for our glaze are 2 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 3/4 cups of confectioner sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, I'm using almond milk, and the juice from 1 lemon. I also have just a little bit of a lemon zest left over from what I didn't put in the cookies, so we're gonna throw that in there too. In my bowl, I am going to whisk together my cream cheese, my milk, and my confectioner sugar. It's not completely combined yet, that's okay. I'm going to also add my lemon zest. Now I'm going to add a little bit of my lemon juice. We are going to add our lemon juice until we get a nice glaze consistency. If you add too much lemon juice, then add a little bit of powdered sugar until you get the consistency that you want. I am going for a drizzle glaze consistency. So this is looking pretty good. It might be a little too runny. I might have added a little bit too much lemon juice, but I think it'll be okay. I usually like to leave my cookies on the cooling rack and put a tray underneath and then just drizzle all of them at once, but I forgot the tray underneath, so we're just gonna do our one beautiful cookie right here. Still got some lemon zest on this plate. And we're just gonna give this guy a nice drizzle. You can let your cookie cool and the glaze will harden. The inside is so soft and moist and chewy. Ooh, it's so good. Thank you so much for watching this week. We made lemon cream cheese cookies that are nice and chewy on the inside. And if you love lemon as much as I do, you will love these cookies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, go check out those links below. There's a link to the written recipe as well as other fun stuff like my social media, my Patreon page, if you do subscribe to my Patreon, you will get to see a really glorious blooper from today. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye.